Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to send a calendar invite in Outlook. This is a fantastic way to schedule meetings and ensure everyone receives the event details directly in their inbox, making it easier to coordinate with colleagues, clients, or anyone you need to meet with. First, you'll want to start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, go ahead and log into your account. This will load in all your emails and give you access to the full range of Outlook's features. Wait a moment for everything to fully load so you can see your inbox clearly. Once your email has loaded and you're ready to proceed, we'll begin the process of sending a calendar invite. Start by accessing your email tools. Look to the top left part of your screen where you'll find the New Email button. Click on this button to open a fresh email composition window. This is where you'll craft your message and attach the calendar invite. Now that you're in the email composition screen, it's time to add the calendar invite. Direct your attention to the top part of your screen and click on the Insert tab. This tab contains various options for adding different types of content to your email. From here, you'll directly see the calendar option. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open a calendar invite window where you can set up all the details for your meeting or event. In the calendar invite window, you'll be able to configure all the important information, set the date range for your event, add specific details like the meeting title, location, and any notes or agenda items you want to include. Take your time here to ensure all the information is accurate and complete. Once you've filled in everything you need, click on OK to confirm. You'll then see the calendar invite attached to your email ready to be sent out. And that's it. Your calendar invite is now attached to your email and ready to go to your recipients. They'll receive both the email and the calendar event, which they can easily add to their own calendars. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.